Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today we're featuring something exciting, some classics. This is a new for 2020. Well, technically this Hot Wheel came out in 2008 as a new model. As you see, it's 2008 Lancer Evolution from number 69 out of 250 from Hot Wheels Speed Graphic number 1 out of 10. So pretty nice looking Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. The designer of this Hot Wheel was John Violet, the digital sculptor. So anyways, this car actually has been around. I just haven't paid attention, I guess, to it, but it came out in 2008 and still in production for Hot Wheels. So here you go. Let's just open it real quick and see what it is. Pretty nice color scheme combination. Actually, like a nice black kind of Fast and Furious type of thing, which Fast and Furious was a older version, and gray with blue stripes. But I like this one. As you see, tinted windows, black interior. All the advertisements for it and all the sponsors, so the Yokohama tires, PIA, Advent, gotta have that Hot Wheel logo. So pretty nice looking gold 10-spoke wheel, red stripes, red bottom. It's all blacked out with the front grille that is red. The splitters, back splitters are red also. As you know, in reality, the Mitsubishi Lancer came out in 1992 up until 2016. For the Evolution edition, the sports sedan came out in 2007 till May of 2016 for the sports sedan. And the final edition there's a limited production of it, which was only 1,000 cars in Japan, 150 in Australia that were sold, 350 in Canada, and $1,600 cars in US. So a total of about 3,000 cars that were produced for the final edition. So nice, actually looking. I hope that gold 10-spoke wheels last long, not erase too fast, but it looks pretty nifty. Pretty cool. Actually, it rolls pretty good. I like the... It says best for tracks, as you see. So, wait till I have time. I'm going to put a speed test on it. We'll see how fast it goes. But meanwhile, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment down below for more videos to come. And have a great one.